Okay, I have the Night Angel nightlight right here. We got it. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to install it here for you and then see if it actually works. It says it's pretty easy. It automatically turns on and off. Keeps your outlets going. No batteries, no wiring, so we'll see if it actually works or not. Okay, so to open it, I went ahead and got a knife and cut around the edges. It's pretty self-explanatory after that to get it out. Just make sure you don't cut yourself on the plastic. So I pulled it out. It's got a normal screw in the center, and then these kind of go in behind the two outlets. And on the bottom are your actual lights, and right there is your sensor. Alright, so let's see how long this takes us. Get your flathead. You're just going to unscrew this until it comes out. Pretty self-explanatory. And it pops right off. And what you're going to do, you can put it either way. You can put it to your lights face up, or if your lights face down, I'm going to do it down so it's not as bright. And all it does is slide onto there. And you can see, before I even got it screwed in, the light turned on. There you go. You can kind of see it below that it turns on, and it adjusts according to the brightness of your room. So let me go ahead and finish screwing that on real fast. Alright, so I'm just finishing screwing it in. It literally took me just a few seconds to do. That doesn't match my colorings. We might try and find a paint or something like that and color it. Not a big deal as of right now, but it will be, I'm sure, at some points. We'll find a tan probably and do that. Make sure we're the right color. It was given to us, so we had no choice in the matter, and that's that. So you can see it's flickering a little bit. I think that's according to the light. Depending on how much light is on it. Let me turn my flashlight on and see what happens. Okay, so we have ours in a pretty dark basement. I put a flashlight on it and it turned it off, and then when I don't have a flashlight on it, turns it on. So it's pretty sensitive to light. I think if we had it upstairs it'd be fine, but also if I put my phone closer to the outlet, I think the back of my case is bright colored and it reflects more light and it makes it flicker, so you can watch that in a second. See that? I think it's absorbing the light from my case because the farther away I go. But so it seems like it works. I don't know how much we'll like it, but it works so far.